if this dodgy budget and Scarpa wire installation should go wrong, resulting in any loss, death or injury, I'd like to make it perfectly clear that I was only a cameraman in this operation, had nothing to do with it at all. Hi.
3 wires, that's the 240 feet off the camera. Got a little terminal block here. The 3 wires. That's one in there. We're using the car headlights for a light source because we're cowboys, you see. Can you get that in, boy?
Yes.
Going to make sure that's tight because we do not want to be coming up and down the ladders once you get this installed. Job once. Oh, squeak out the wound.
Part B in post.
Yes. Balloons. Got cat 5 for the video. I'm just putting in another 240 feed. Just tighten the gland up. Tightish for now. As you can see, that's the main app cable there. That's the main video feed from the Panasonic camera. You've got various alarm cables and you've got your telemetry.
And when I come home, yes, I know I'm gonna be